Welcome back to the Parks Townhomes. Today we're going to take a tour of our 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. This one in particular has great parking, located directly in front of the home. Inside, you'll have great living room space. An extra half bath downstairs and some additional storage. Right off the living room is your dining area next to the kitchen, and outside you have your own private patio space. All of our kitchens here come equipped with a gas range, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. Adjacent to the kitchen in this home, beautiful laundry room with washer and dryer hookups available. Up the stairs we'll have 3 bedrooms as well as the full bath. This here is the master. And offers a walk-in closet. Down the hall here we'll have the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. As well as a linen closet. As with all 3-bedroom townhomes here at the Parks, this is on a corner and also offers central air. Thank you for taking the time to take this virtual tour. Please call us today to set up an in-person tour of this home or any other of the great townhomes here at the Parks.